Mental health help is now just a click away for New Jersey college students, with an announcement today by the Murphy administration that it's expanding a free 24/7 digital mental health services program. First rolled out during the pandemic to great success. As senior correspondent Joanna Gagos reports, the goal is to reach more college students in need of support and fill gaps where campus services fall short.
Young people have been facing a mental health crisis for some time, from the rise of social media to increased academic pressures, the impact of the pandemic, and much, much more.
In fact, 70% of college students have reported heightened levels of stress and anxiety, according to the Office of the Secretary of Higher Education. So today, Lieutenant Governor Tahesha Way announced the Murphy administration's expansion of funding for a free counseling service on New Jersey's college campuses called You Will,
which allows the state of New Jersey to provide 24/7, 365 teletherapy, crisis connection, and wellness programming at 45 institutions.
It's part of a $26 million funding allotment from American Rescue Plan funds given to the Office of Higher Education to expand the state's partnership with You Will through mid-2025. It's already been offered on several campuses, including here at Montclair State University, over the last year.
In just over a year, over 11,000, almost 11,000 students have registered for the platform, and more than 33,000 sessions have been held. 61% of the students registered on the platform indicated that they had never previously made an appointment with a therapist or mental health counselor at their institution.
And despite the record number of mental health calls that came from Montclair State University students this year, President Jonathan Coppell sees it as a sign that stigma around mental health is no longer what it was.
You wouldn't have that happening if students were ashamed or shy about raising their hand and asking for help. That's awesome.
And an indicator of their future success, as several speakers pointed to the statistic that a student struggling with mental health is twice as likely not to graduate.
This is an event that's about student success. This is an event that's about graduation rates. This is an event that's about the future of New Jersey.
And an opportunity to take on the realities around inequity in this space, says Coppell.
It's important to recognize the fact that the mental health challenges that have set people off course have disproportionately affected communities of color and others who are underrepresented.
It feels amazing. Like, it's just so exciting for me to know that I do have those services when I need them, and they're free services. They're super accessible services as well, so I know I can just call up someone or go online if I do need someone at any point during the day, whether it's at 11 p.m. after class or 7 in the morning before work.
This is very, very important to me, hearing what You Will does and the fact that this is going to be available to students throughout the duration of the Murphy administration.
Assemblywoman Katz has introduced a bill that would continue the funding for this program long after the Murphy administration ends. She believes these next 2 years will prove this program works. On the campus of Montclair State University, I'm Joanna Gagos, NJ Spotlight News.
Support for the medical report is provided by Horizon Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Jersey, an independent licensee of the Blue Cross Blue Shield Association.